My name is Muhammad Ali Ismail and I am the student of BE Electronics. Today my project is self-starter of a bulldozer. I will tell you about the different parts inside the self-starter. Now I am going to open it and then I will tell you the parts which are present inside the self-starter. There are some basic tools which will help me to open the self-starter. Now I am removing the nut and bolts of the self-starter. Now you can see that I am trying to open the main part of the self-starter, which is known as solenoid. Now I will tell you that what actually the solenoid is. The solenoid is a switch, a part of automobile which act as a relay, and it takes large current from the battery and small current from the ignition switch. As the ignition switch is turned on, a small current is sent to the starter solenoid. The pair of heavy contact closes, relaying a large electric current to the self-starter, which in turn starts the engine. Now you can see that I have opened the solenoid. This is solenoid. That is the main part of the self-starter, which helps the self-starter to start the engine. Now I am going to open the second part. There are many nuts and bolts, so which it makes hard to open it. The part which is now I'm going to open is known as armature. The main function of the armature is simply to create a magnetic field. Now firstly I am going to open the external part, which is known as yoke. It is the external cover. We can say that it is the external cover of the starter motor. Now I'm going to remove it. It is so tightly wound with the starter motor that it is very difficult to open. Now I have opened the external part, which is known as yoke. This is external cover of that starter motor. Now I'm going to open the main part, which is known as armature. Its function is simply to create magnetic field. Now these are field coils. There are 4 field coils. Now I'm going to remove the carbon brushes. Carbon brush is a device which conducts current between the stationary wires and the moving parts, most commonly in the rotating shaft. It is joined with that field coils. Now we'll end. Thank you for watching this video.